some hobby parts, but I was doing something. I said, you know, that'd be a good lazy machinist trick, as I call it. So I'm going to show you the lazy machinist trick. I've done this 1,000 times, and it's pretty darn close. Check it out. Okay, the lazy machinist trick today is to use your end mill that you're cutting with as your edge grinder. A piece of paper. That piece of paper is 2,000 thick, I checked. So what you do is you turn your mill on. And you slide your paper up in there like so. And you come over here and start moving in with your tool. Real easy. Shave that paper right on the edge there. Didn't even take off the bluing. So at that point, zero your root out. Come over half your cutter, because that's a 3/16 mil. We're come over 9 3/1000. If you check that with an end mill, with an edge grinder, you'll probably find out that it's not off maybe a 1,000. Anyway, that's my lazy machinist trick for the day. Hope you enjoyed it.